All right. Welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Build, Break, and Fix. Yes, to all those people who are new here, we are recruiters. That means we are a team of two developers from Melbourne, Australia, and we're working on a project which adds persistent storage to the current open source project called Skirmler.ca. And yes, so if you're interested in stacks revolving around Express.js or Fetch APIs, or even a bit of front end with React, and you're looking to get a hands on tutorial on things like GitHub, Jira, on how they work on an actual project, then you're in the right place. Yesterday, we worked on things including a lot of testing, which meant that we tried to test individual component of our backends. Um, The tests mainly revolved around a lot of validations. Um, Unfortunately, most of them didn't work, but that's okay. That's a part of the process. Um, so we're gonna try and go ahead and um, 1 second. Let me just. Yep. We're gonna try and go ahead and do our best to make sure everything in the backend is coded properly. And yes, so I think there's nothing to delay about. Hey, Zen, I didn't know you were coming.
No, I was having a bit of a technical glitches
Mhm.
again, so few seconds there to just sort everything out. But
Yep.
yeah, I'm here and good introduction. Thank you for
Mhm.
that.
All good.
I'll just so let's get straight into that.
Yep.
I guess not that
Are
one.
you not getting your green screen today?
No, because it's not working properly.
The green screen?
As in the camera isn't l- l- like up to scratch. I
Mm-hmm.
still have to sort everything out, but I know I keep on saying it, but it
That's all
is
good.
as in a bit like
Hmm.
complicated. So
Yeah.
I'm just not getting enough time to set everything up properly. But
Yeah.
anyway, I'll just share my screen and we can take a look at Jira where we were.
Yep. Sure. Is that too bright?
A little bit, yeah.
Yeah, that's the lowest it can get.
Oh, okay, cool.
Hmm.
That's fine, not a problem at all.
Mm-hmm.
Um, so we can start off with validation for post notes,
Yep.
and then just fix the ones that are not working, and just um so I'm saying that plan should be that we just make sure that the posting of the notes is working properly today.
Okay. Yeah, that should be easy.
Cool. And if we are satisfied by posting all the nodes for entire validations, as in as best as we can cover all the scenarios, we can possibly move on to the other methods. But my main focus is posting all the notes. All right.
Mm-hmm.
What do you reckon?
It is. Yeah. No.
Cool.
Um.
Perfect. So
Yeah, that shouldn't be hard for sure. We'll be able to do it. I'll recommend you close your emails as well.
yes, I'm just gonna do all the
Thank you.
things that I need to close up.
Hmm.
That one is done. Microsoft Word, I don't need, and that doesn't matter. Okay, cool. Perfect. So I'll open up VS Code.
Oh wait, today's my turn.
Oh, yeah, yeah. All right, cool.
No,
Go for it. Damn, didn't work. I was trying to sneak in there.
if you want, go ahead. No, for sure.
No, no, I'm
I
just
actually don't
kidding.
mind. If
I'm
you
kidding. I'm kidding.
no,
Trust me.
okay,
I was pulling your leg.
okay. That didn't work though. Okay, this. Yeah, there we go.
Is my mic is my mic far enough?
Sorry, is your mic what?
Is my mic far enough? I think
Yeah,
can you hear me properly?
yeah, I can, but
All right.
I sometimes feel that your mic is a bit too loud. I don't know if you get it or
Mic
not.
is a bit too loud. Let me check.
You can go
Um,
ahead and do that from here. See my screen? Can you see my screen? So if you go here and go on audio, um, you can decrease
That
this.
for some reason I don't get. Where did you go again?
I'm seeing your screen. Go to cam/mic
Uh-huh.
audio.
Audio.
Click on adjust automatically adjust. Yeah, click on that and decrease
Ah,
it.
okay. Right. How about now?
Try a bit more. Yep. Try speaking. Oh no,
How
no,
about
no
now?
more. Like around 50 should be fine. Yeah, that should be fine. Try speaking.
Now?
Yep.
Yeah,
Perfect.
cool. Perfect.
Okay,
Right.
days.
So do you wanna open up VS Code and then we
Mm-hmm.
can focus on I'll make notes of all the scenarios that we are covering. Um,
Yeah. I'll just send this.
URL partially
Uh,
working. Okay, cool. For future, it might help if we both can be a bit precise in terms of these issues descriptions or these task
mhm.
descriptions.
Okay, then.
I'll open up Visual Studio Code as well. By the way, I did push all the changes, even though they were broken, but we should be in a habit to, as in, commit after every session,
Yeah, no, for sure. Um,
even if it
uh,
doesn't work.
yeah.
Right.
Where are all the other branches? Okay.
Branches.
Did you guys delete other branches?
No, I didn't delete any branch.
Let's see.
Which one? I can't see anything.
I'm talking about this. There are only three branches,
I
while we
can't
had
see
like
the code. Are you in the right? Semi PI.
yeah, very interesting. Let's see.
Oh no 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 no. Because the repo is public, can I'm just a
Go
bit
ahead.
scared now. Oh,
No, it doesn't matter if it's public. That should be fine. 1 second. Yeah. Right. Okay. That's weird. Why is it not on my local? I don't want to
y-
pull. Let me. What branch I pull? Okay, dev.
you probably have to go on the dev branch and then do it.
Mm-hmm.
To commit.
I just hope they're there. Very interesting. Okay. I mean, that's fine. Did you lock any of the branches?
I've just locked dev and master. That's all. As
And
in
you made your
while
change in dev.
in stable backend.
Oh, okay. That makes more sense.
So until now, we are making all our changes in the stable backend
Mm-hmm.
branch. Yeah. Oh, forgot to turn my light on. Interesting.
Okay.
Oh, my light doesn't work. Why is it refusing to work now? There we go.
Okay, there we go. That's fine.
I'm trying not to merge it
I'm not merging it.
because okay.
Yeah, I'm not even pulling all these branches because I don't actually need them. So I just need a stable
Yeah,
package, but I don't
yeah,
want to mess
yeah,
with any other branches.
yeah. True.
Okay, days. So before I start, I probably need to deploy it in mine. Let's hope
So
we can finish this before 10. I don't know if I
30.
can. Yeah, let's see.
10:30. URL is partially working, which meant that if we
Ooh. What was the command? Minus D or minus R?
for
Screen.
screen minus R. Hang on. What are you trying to do at the moment?
Doing sand deploy. I did screen minus DM.
So screen minus DM, and then the command itself.
Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did that. That's fine. I'm just gonna do this for now.
Should from
I'll just hide it for now. Don't worry. Hmm. Okay, this. Is that an eye?
I can't
Can't-
see your screen.
can't-
I can't. Still can't.
Really?
So R. R. Alright, cool. Your is partially working. Okay, when you say your is partially working, did you mean that it's working with the empty strings but not the
Wait,
other way around?
where did I say that?
In validation or post notes.
I don't think I ever wrote that. Let's see. Which line number? Oh,
Oh no, it's in Jira.
oh, right. Okay. I was like,
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Mhm. Okay, days. Posting a note. Okay. First error we get is topic is invalid. But it actually is.
Posting of a note, right? I can't see URL again.
Was that better?
Yeah, a little bit. Yes, yes. So topic for note is invalid.
That's fine. Okay, let's see.
Which one did you
Topic for
do?
note is invalid. So it's
Posting of
checking
the
if
notes.
type of is string. Um. Oh, wait. Yeah. Now we're trying to switch this. If it's false,
Is this string for this one?
All right. Okay. So it is single note only.
Go back
Go where?
to Postman. To
Yeah.
Postman.
Yeah.
Single note. I don't know if the space matters.
Nah.
Okay, board ID is that
So
one.
what do I say?
Topic for notes is invalid. Go back to code. Single note. Just so it's coming in there. So it's setting that to false. Is empty.
Fine. Okay.
Or how about if we do request dot body dot single note? Is it
Yeah,
string
we
or
can
not?
do that. I'm just trying to see. Can we not do a type of a constant? Trying to
Hey
Google.
Tori raw coders, yeah, buddy. Welcome.
Oh, right. Okay,
Good to have
that
you.
makes sense. So it's a JS thing. Um, Concepts are blocks board. I don't think we can type off a constant. Um, let's see in JS.
So we can't use type of on a const.
I'm just trying to see that only. 1 second. This is very interesting.
But are we using const in the first place?
Sorry.
Are we using const in the first
Yeah,
place?
we are.
Really?
Yeah, let me just do alert. Canada.
Cause, border.
Let's see. Undefined. Yep. Can't do that. New thing learned today. Can't.
So probably try let instead of
Yeah.
const.
Yeah. So
Interesting.
that's a new thing. And I think it goes back to, I'll tell you why. Thing which we studied recently. Const in JS are immutable. Let's see if they are. The const declaration creates a read-only reference to a value. It does not mean the value holds is immutable, just that the variable identifier cannot be reassigned. For instance, in the case where constant is an object, this means the object contents can be altered, right? Okay. Okay, let's try this. Okay,
Surely someone's trying to connect it to it to watch my service without no one's really but as you know we still got this some cables. Oh, really, Tori. Apparently he was having trouble connecting to, as in, so Twitch because of the submarine cables, and
What happened? Oh yeah.
sounds like it's been resolved. So yeah,
Mm,
that's fantastic, Tori. Really
very
good job, mate. hmm Glad you could make it.
yeah, for sure.
Uh,
Sorry, Tori, I couldn't also see your Discord question till now. I'm so sorry about that. Yeah, I'll come back to that for sure after the stream. But I'm not sure if I just started learning TypeScript, so I really don't know.
that's
Could
complicated.
we-
Service,
Wow.
I think let me hop onto the VPN and connect to see. So, how loading those companies have servers nearby. So I thought that would internet down to Australia instead of going to the sea. That's pretty small of you, Tori. Well done, mate. So apparently, Tori's using a VPN to
Mhm. Very nice.
brilliant. Yeah. He's asking you to post a question on Stack Overflow.
Oh, you want me to do it? Yeah, sure.
Looking at the sub cable map gave me that idea. Yeah, that's really creative of you, Tori, man. As in, yeah, yeah, you should take the hint. God, he's telling you that,
Mhm.
yeah, you should take the heat.
Sure. Okay. What's gonna cost? People calling me noob. They already do. Let's
Or
see.
in the worst case scenario, that they don't even bother replying.
Yeah, that's worse.
You know what's even more worse of that?
Hmm.
First of all, they don't bother replying, and then they give you a minus. And you're like, guys, come on, I'm still new. I just signed
Hmm.
up. Anyway, where are we?
Somewhere. 1 second. This is really interesting. Oh boy. Okay. Okay, I think I know what's happening. I'll just fix. Let's see.
I think in pair programming is good to explain things as well, because in that
Yeah.
you just
Yeah. I just don't want to explain
by
the wrong
yourself.
thing. Right. Is empty means that it is empty. That means that's coming as false. Okay. I think I know. Um. Yeah. Let's see if this bad boy works. Okay, days. Yeah.
Uh, Tori's saying you guys should try GitHub Copilot. It will finish these projects in 2 seconds.
I actually applied for a GitHub pilot. I still haven't got the access yet.
What is that though? I haven't heard about
Um.
it before.
Okay. Um. You should probably have a look yourself, but it's really interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Um. It's like it writes code for you. Like they have taken all the repositories they have, like GitHub,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and Like they have made like kind of a really sophisticated software.
Ah.
Oh, it's called Copilot. My bad. Autopilot. Yeah. So I did sign up for it. Um,
Paper of
yeah,
an.
and it works on OpenAI. So it writes a lot of things itself.
Okay, interesting. Might try that.
Yeah, you should. Let me try this. Wow. Okay. Let me see if this board is actually there. Huh. I think the board is in there. Wow. Oh boy. Resource not found. Oh, I'm so bad.
Oh, the table name.
Literally. Yeah. Wow.
I sh I should have I should have reminded you to change
Nah,
it.
that's
That's
not good. Yeah, this is my little boy. Is it the one? Good. Let this work. Yeah, probably Tori will be out of work. I'm just curious. How was it returning note not valid when there wasn't even anything here, like the board? Oh, okay, yeah, that's fair. That yeah. Topic for note is invalid. Why? That is literally just pointless. Okay, let's see. Huh. Text for note is okay. The type of text of note. So let's say if we get hi, this should be true. I have a feeling is empty is doing something dodgy to it. Um, let's see how this works out. Good afternoon. And deploy minus G. Cow, 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 cow.
Oh, I just realized that I put my headset on mute, and I was talking, and like I was seeing that. Why am I not getting anything back?
How
Anyway,
long was that?
uh, probably at least 2 minutes.
Funny.
Um, Jack Dev's asking, can we play? Can you Jesus please hydrate? Have you got water there?
No, I need to go to the kitchen. Just one second. I'll get.
All right. Well, Tori goes. Well, actually, the joke's on you. I don't have a job. That's hilarious.
Mm.
Oh, Tori, you're hilarious guy. Oh, am I looking pretty dry? How-
What?
How's that, Tori? He's saying that I'm looking pretty dry.
What do you mean dry?
I have no idea. Um,
What does dry mean?
parched. He meant parched.
Oh,
Yeah, that's it, Tori. I'm just gonna go and get a bit of water for myself, cause it's empty. Be right back.
this is error from CloudFront. Very interesting.
Right, there we go. I'm back in action. Did you say that it's throwing the error from CloudFront?
Not really. That's just because it exits in between.
Okay.
Yeah. I'll just go get water as well while it deploys.
I don't think it will be too long at all.
Yeah.
So is the code still coming in? Topic is invalid.
Yes. I
Switch.
literally can't comprehend why.
Hang on, I need to check something. As in how we are checking if it's a string is even checked in that way. Type of
And it's working on other places, right? So,
in other places, I can't guarantee that, to be honest.
mhm.
Type you can use the type of operator
Okay, why is get all nodes not working?
because we don't have a function for getting all nodes.
Oh, right.
Be able
Yeah.
to do it when we pass a board to it, and then it will get it.
Mhm. Yeah.
Return type of value or instance. Uh, do you wanna do maybe as in the value? So text note instance of string.
Yeah, I
Let's
can do
see if
that.
that
That's it.
works.
Mhm. I'm just trying to see.
Lo- Looks like you've got a classic type error. Yes, sorry, probably. Just need to figure out as in why is that doing what it's doing.
Oh, wait.
Okay, can you
Oh,
zoom in a
wait. Never mind. That's fine. Oh, yeah, sure.
okay, yeah, that's more like it. Type of sudo. I like the variable name. Ew. Type of string.
Wait a minute.
Oh,
S capital in?
just make sure that because I haven't come across that. S is lowercase apparently.
One second. No, go away.
Number string.
That should be fine.
Boolean modify.
Let's try running this. Oof. Okay, then you
Are
leave
you
me
running
no
it?
choice. Oh, sorry.
Did you run it?
I ran it. I just need to do one more thing. That's literally the last thing.
Okay. There's choice and check your params. Yeah, I don't think there's any problem with the params story. Cause it's not just picking up the type itself. Oh, body. Right.
That should be fine.
They're
Okay.
always lowercase when you're using type of. Hmm.
I just want to do one thing. That's really interesting because it's getting assigned properly. Um, only having a problem when we're checking it. Or, as Andre likes to call it, that's a real head scratcher.
Mm-hmm. And I'm just saying to myself, wait for it, for him to say instance of. Oh, so it's coming up as on.
Expected token. Yeah.
No, so you probably have to do. Okay.
I'll have just have a look.
There you go. He comes back for it. That's a real head scratcher. I love that gag dev.
Okay, that should be fine. Okay, let's try this now.
If this doesn't work, then probably do
It works. Yeah, it works.
insert a number and then it shouldn't work.
Yeah, it's coming as this.
Yeah, because
Oh,
you
wait.
Jason stringified it. That's why.
Mm-hmm.
Hmm.
It's already a string, and I JSON string divided. That's why. Okay. Wow. Very well. Okay, I don't want to JSON stringify it. Go away. Let me just see what's coming now. Do you have dinner?
Not yet. Bit for really busy evening.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, bruv. How do you know that line 279 works? Okay. How
Sorry?
do we know that Jack Dev's asking, hey, bruv, how do you know that line 279 works?
We can test it.
We're not trying to test that line at the moment in Jack Dev. we are testing the other scenario in which the note, as in the topic of the note, has to be a string and it can't be empty.
There you go. That works. Okay.
Hang on, go back.
Mhm.
What are you doing there?
Trying to make sure return semicolon works.
Oh, okay, cool. Right.
Yeah. Does that
Yeah.
satisfy you, get dev?
He's saying, can you please add a comment works to all lines that work?
Yep, sure. I'll do
Yeah.
that. Okay. Yeah. Now it totally works. Pretty sure. Yeah. I'll just make sure that everything is normal. Um, topic for note is invalid. Okay. One last test, and this will work. You make it in testing in Jira, then?
So are we not checking for if the note is empty anymore?
Not right now. Let
Okay,
me take one
right.
step at a time because I have a feeling that was throwing an error. I mean, that was
Ah,
always making it false. That being said, I do want to test my isempty function. No, go away.
Jesus.
Wow. I don't think so. That's right. I still want to use the keys, object keys. Um, let's see.
Object keys as in,
Yeah. The thing which I was using before. Remember? Yeah, this thing. Just gonna replace it for 1 second. I'll keep it back. Okay. See, now this works.
hang on, switch, check if the object is there or not.
Hmm.
Right, and if it is there, then return true. If it's not, um,
I don't think so. Our current is empty works. I'm not
can
sure why.
you remove? Sorry to interrupt, Rob, but can you remove the line 6?
This one? Yeah, sure.
Yeah, and now
Uh,
uh
it's
try it.
gonna give same
It should,
output though.
yeah, yeah, because I
Um,
was just
I'm
checking.
not sure why we changed this to this. I know.
Uh,
I remember GegDev told us. GegDev, do you see any error in this? Because like for us, we are not able to get it work. At least here. Um,
hmm.
I see what it's doing, like, but not sure why it's not working on our end, or it could be just us. The thing which
Tori is saying that you should put it literally equal to and quotes and then open and close curly brackets. This one?
I think that's what he said. Is this what he said?
Uh, Tori did, yeah.
Is this
Oh,
what he
no,
said?
no, no, no. So if you remove the JSON stringify from the second one, remove the JSON stringify.
Yes.
Remove this one and then put these curly brackets only by themselves in quotes and put another equals with the other equals. Yeah.
Okay, then.
This
Is that what you're saying, Tori? Give me a yes or no.
yes, you could go to use straight equality. You can straight.
Okay.
Yes.
These are
Cool.
yes. They should give us, let's see, hi first. Nope, that's pretty good. Okay. Nah, that doesn't work either.
No.
It also doesn't work because this is literally
Oh,
a
hang on a minute.
yeah.
Oh, no, 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 no. That's fine. That's fine. That's
Yep.
not our scenario.
What? Oh yeah, it's going to false right here. Never mind. Oh no, go away. Okay. All right. Okay. That's
True.
making more sense. So it's JSON stringifying. Yeah, I don't think so. This is ever. I mean, this could work if and only if I JSON stringified this. But the problem with this is, I'll tell you what the problem is. 1 second. See, this will work now. Yeah, see, this works now. But the problem is that if I don't pass it anything, and if I just pass null, it's just gonna go into error.
Fine.
So if I do object keys, which is gonna create, I'll tell you why I'm more lean towards this. Okay, that's very well. But like, if actually this could work as well. Huh? But this only works for let's see, let obj, let's say it's a JSON object, then what happens? We can't check if it's empty or not. Um, a you know what I mean? Like this is empty function for should not only for strings but for like every object in general. Oh no. Oh, unexpected string. Okay. Yeah. See, this won't work now because even if I give it like a empty string, yeah, like let me just try this as well. Wow, time flies.
Yeah.
Unexpected string.
Oh, you've got to put the comma
Whereabouts?
in the JSON object you created.
Oh, right.
Comma
Yeah, that makes
after
sense.
line 13. Here we go.
Yeah. Yeah. See, now it's actually getting false. If I go ahead and try what we have here, don't think it should work, but yeah, if I go ahead and try it for like an empty now, It's gonna say undefined, and it's still giving false, even though if it's yeah. Anyway, that's been deployed. I'll come back to that. So everything should work now here.
Mm-hmm.
I'm giving it a faulty note.
Uh-huh.
Let's see what happens. Okay, this faulty note. It gives an error. And if
Topic
I
for
say
notes
hi,
is
I am
wrong.
a note.
Give it an in integer as well.
I
Just
did.
want to
Remember? One. I gave
really?
it one. Yeah.
That's what.
It'll give invalid now.
Okay, cool.
And if
And
I give it
how about
like one
empty?
integer, I'll come back to empty. Let's see what happens in empty.
This will work. And this shouldn't work.
Yeah. So so the problem was that this is empty method isn't working for us. I'm not saying it's wrong. Um, but for our scenario, it's just not functional. I don't know why.
Shouldn't that be literally equals on 37?
We tried that. That doesn't work at
Okay,
all.
cool.
I'll make it literally equals and let's see. Yep, still doesn't work.
Alright, in that case we can just stick to the object keys one, I guess.
Just trying to think
Because
one thing.
that's because there must be something we are doing that's making it not work.
Yeah.
But I really can't. As in, we will probably need a lot more time, as in to find out why is that not working.
Yeah. I'm not sure if GigDev has something to add. If probably we're doing something
Hmm.
wrong. Let us
Jacob,
know.
what you reckon? This is Tor is saying that this is where TypeScript is handy.
Yeah.
So Jagdev, we're asking about how you suggested we should compare the um empty object, as in a check for empty object, using JSON stringify. That's apparently not working for us. I'm pretty sure we're doing something incorrectly. So, but the object keys method works. So, what do you reckon about that?
Yes. What is that?
He said, I reckon you two are champs that deserve to get some war in your gullet.
Okay then. Wait one sec. I'm just trying to think one thing. All right. Okay. Wow. No, not this one. Double equal to okay.
So now are we trying to make the
Ouch.
condition for
That's fine. Okay. I did something stupid. I just clicked reset by mistake. That was funny.
Can't you undo it? As in
I can't.
Control Z and everything. No?
That's not working. No.
Ah, I've been
That's
there. I've done that many times.
yeah, that's fine. I'll just try it real quick. No, go away.
Tori is asking where are you calling the isempty functions?
I'll,
It's
I'll show it to
basically
you. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry.
is basically throughout the code. Throughout the code, if we wanna check if 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 something is empty. Is was it on the object? Is- Isn't it okay?
Okay. I
Yeah.
got. I think I got it. There we go. That should all do it. Down, down, down.
Have you heard?
Yes.
Detectives
What?
asking, have you heard about Falsy? Yes, I have. Is that the better way to do it?
Right?
Gekdev? I'm just asking Gekdev.
Yep. That should all work. Yep. What? Oh yeah.
Ah, that one.
What? That is literally. If it is equivalent to 0, which it's not. Okay, yeah, that's fine. I'm doing something dumb. Huh. What happened?
Just thinking that the existing demo is for expressions type of, and we have actually started to use it to code and test our function.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
BJW equal to null.
Tori says just will wait till the rest of the code breaks after this change.
It will not. I hope not.
Hopefully not.
Why is this only going here? You know. Okay then. It's not gonna listen the right way. I'll make it listen the hard way. Down. Okay, that should work.
If it's
Okay, are you
true,
ready then?
if
Are you
it's
ready to be amazed?
if it's true, then return false.
Oh wait. Yeah, I'm kind of dumb.
What? What?
Sorry.
I don't think so yet, Kay. I'm ready to be amazed.
Yeah. Are you ready to be amazed now? Okay. So this is empty, it's giving true. Hi, that's not empty. You don't pass anything, say null. It is. Yeah.
What? False.
Okay. Finally, we have the is empty function, and I dare someone's gonna touch it. No one's gonna touch my precious little is empty function. Brackets, 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 brackets. Sam, no, not Sam yet. Sam, too early for Sam. Okay, then.
So we have just done is empty and is a string.
Yeah, let me just verify if that works. Come on, you have to work.
Come on, boy.
Or else
Come on,
I'll
boy.
harass you all night.
Come on, Tori. Put some good words, mate. Put some good words in the chat.
Hmm. What is it?
He's saying break, break, break.
Okay, let's see. Tony.
Let's see who wins, Tori. If it's you or us.
I think it's the code which is gonna win.
Hmm.
Um, this should give an error. Please give an error. I can explain.
Code one.
Yeah,
Okay, so this is working, which is good.
yeah. 1 second. And you probably can't send the object here, that way anywhere, so we don't need is empty.
Yeah.
Um,
Mhm.
yeah, we don't need is empty. It's fine. Go away. Wait.
Oh, right. I
Can't
see.
even send the object that way. So.
Yeah. Yeah, so we don't need that. We just have to do a check that if it's a string.
Oh wait, actually we need it. I'll tell you why. Because we can pass the object as this.
Object has space.
Not space, but like empty string. Very nice. So it's asking, "Are you empty?" And it says, "Yes, I am empty." So does it true here? Oh yeah, and so it should do a false.
False. Mhm.
Jokes on me. Are you empty? I am. I am empty. The not of that I'm false. Yeah, that should be fine.
So that's basically saying I'm not empty.
Yes.
Hmm.
So you're filled with water and a lot of blood then, so you're not
Yeah,
empty.
true.
If I pass Zen in that function, the answer would be false.
Hmm. It would definitely be in
But
uppercase.
yes, in this scenario, it'll be true.
Hmm.
Do you know how lame that sounds?
I know, and I'm trying to be nice here.
Mm.
Uh, this stream always entertain me.
Mm.
What's happening to my English? My brain is dead, literally.
Feel you. Okay, don't work.
Don't work.
Doesn't work.
No.
Don't work.
Um.
Doesn't work. Work.
Work, and it
Works.
does work. Perfect.
Okay.
So
Can you
that
put
means that we are
yeah.
we're checking for if the string is empty. So note text
Yeah. Okay.
So text phone note is empty.
Yeah. Oh,
Validation,
sorry. Yeah. There you go.
huh?
There you go. Yeah. You're seeing the code, right?
Uh, no, I'm just in Jira at the moment, trying to log stuff.
Mm-hmm.
So if the text phone note is empty, well, that's done, isn't it? It's working.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And then we are checking if it's passing an integer.
Yeah.
Um, don't work if the text phone note is an integer. Okay, cool. And work if it's a string only.
I'm gonna just check one more thing.
Work if the text phone note is a string only. Don't work if text phone note empty. Right, cool. Okay, so I've updated the validation of the post, but I reckon that before moving forward,
This also works. Then no boards found in a database. I deleted all
no,
the boards and it works.
uh-huh. So
Um,
hang on a minute. No board found in the database. It
you
works.
know that also proves that the isempty method is right now.
Can you make sure you've got comments as in works and next to the validation messages, next to the validation messages
Hmm.
that are working.
Okay, yes, there you go. Um,
Brilliant.
yep, and this works as well. What's next? Board not
Um,
found. Let's
can you go
test.
down? Can you? Okay.
Yeah, I'm just gonna test board not found. Just give me 1 second. Post the board with the body,
Board not
raw,
found.
board name. I am a nice board. Let's see what it does. What? Go ahead. Okay. Yep. Posting a board, giving it the wrong board name. Oh, I know that.
Okay. Okay. Can we please stick to the plan?
Yeah, yeah. I'm just testing the post note only. I'm just testing the parts which you weren't able to test yesterday.
And is that the part of the posting of the notes, right?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Because
Yeah.
you're saying board, is my misunderstanding that I
Mhm.
thought you were going as in back to the boards now. Right,
That's
right,
all
right.
good.
Okay,
That's all good.
cool.
Um.
So no boards found in the database was working, did you say? On line 317.
Just 1 second. Then, just trying to see one thing. What? That's impossible. Yeah. 1 second. Let me just see my lambda. Not lambda. Where would I find this? Cloud
Cloud.
formation. That's interesting. Monitor, view logs in CloudWatch. Yep, this is probably the latest one. Can you see the errors in? I don't know how to find it here.
29, 30, 22, 39, 40. The error basically isn't even there.
Wow.
Keep going down. No,
Like,
it's not there. Error.
wow.
Go back for a sec.
Go back where?
To the message that we were testing in the code. So what are we testing here again?
Posting a note when board is not found.
Posting a note when the board is not found. Okay, go back in the code. Posting a note when the board isn't found, which means that it should come to board not found, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
On line 339.
Yeah, it's working till here. Let's see. Board in board items and boards dot item at board dot board ID. That should be fine. Also, I don't know why we have a for loop. Why don't we have a scan operation? That's a story for a different day.
Yes.
Um,
So that means that it's coming down to switch is board present. So 4, it should go in there is board present, and then if it's false, then it's not. So up there we are checking for that one.
hmm.
Can you put as in your cursor on the opening bracket of 3 to 4?
I mean, it probably won't even compile if the brackets were wrong.
Ah, uh, is board present? Right, I think there's the problem
Oh, you
because
have it inside the for loop. That's why.
the board, no, the switch statement is inside the if statement,
Oh,
and it will only go in the if statement if the board ID matches.
right. Okay,
So
that makes sense.
the switch has to come out of the if statement.
It has to come out of the for as well, or else it'll just it'll just not run at all. Oh wait, one sec.
I think it should still come in the 4
Okay.
because Mhm.
Yeah, I'll tell you why.
Okay,
Let's say we are in the first iteration of the loop, and this is false.
yeah,
And if our function was, let's say here, um, let's say here, you know what I
hmm
mean? Then in the first iteration, it's gonna go into switch is board present, and it's gonna go false in the first iteration. Yeah, it's gonna end.
okay, yeah, true. I got you now. You're right
Hmm.
there. Cool.
That being said, yeah, that should be fine. I don't need to put a if statement there. Yeah, that should be fine. Sam build.
Can you go up for a sec while it's
Yeah,
building?
yeah, sure. Thanks,
Can
Tori.
you
Thanks for
put
joining. GetDev's
thanks
asking to
for
do
Tori?
7 push-ups because we have 7 viewers. 1 second, GetDev. Let's gonna
Cool.
do this.
Zephyrin, hey, welcome Zephyrin. Thanks for joining. He's asking what on earth
I'll
am
explain.
I watching?
Yeah, sure. That's a that's a pretty good question. So yeah,
Yeah.
you're watching a daily series of live streams We stream every day from 9:30 to 10:30 Melbourne time, as we both live in Melbourne. But yeah, we are
Australia.
working on a yeah, yes. There's a Melbourne in Florida as well. But yeah,
Exactly.
we're working on a project which adds persistent storage to a current open source project. So right now we are working on a backend. So yeah, you can join us every day except Saturdays, which I believe it's not tomorrow. So if
Hmm.
you want to join us, you can on Twitch and YouTube tomorrow. And we're going to be working on a lot of Express.js, Fetch APIs, Git, Jira, you name it, and Postman. Yeah, there you go.
Fantastic.
So this should not work. Okay, there we go.
Uh, board, no
Yes.
fun. Okay,
Um,
yeah, so that was the problem, isn't it? The switch
then,
was. Hmm.
yeah, would you mind pasting the link to our open source GitHub to for Zevran?
Yes, I sure can. Just
Thank
bear
you.
with me, Zabron. I will get our
Hmm. Welcome,
GitHub account.
BKHZ1 and Jupiter Rat. Welcome, guys.
This
Welcome,
is
Arius. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, probably. Don't need to do that. Welcome,
uh,
Arius. Nice emojis. Best coding stream on Twitch. Thank you, GetDev.
thank you, Jagdev.
Okay.
Right. So, as requested by Zafran
Mhm.
9005, this is our repo for backend for the API. I was gonna say backend API.
Welcome, Chris Costa. How you going? Okay.
I like
Valid.
his I like his comment.
Yeah. Keen to check out the repo. Yeah, there you go. There's pasted there. Do you accept PRs? Yeah, sure. Yeah, just do it.
Yes, we do.
Our code
Mhm.
should be fairly easy to understand as
Yes.
we have really been trying to make it as easy to understand as possible. But yes,
Yeah,
just
following the best
for
practices as well, as much
yes,
as possible.
all the new people again, I'll repeat it. We stream from 9:30 p.m. AEST, which is Melbourne, Australia time. And if you're interested in a lot of JS coding and AWS, you should join us. And yeah, every night at 9:30. I've only learned Python. Can you make this in Python? You can try making this in Python. Yeah, sure.
I'm pretty
Yeah,
sure you can.
yeah, that's actually a good challenge.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
what's the project? I'll show you the project. So
I
the
think what I have to do is maybe in the repo, I need to update the
put some screenshots.
README as well. Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yes.
That'd be
So
really helpful. I'm gonna do
this is
that.
the current open source app called Scamler.ca. So we are recreating this app. Hi, I am bored. Um, and we are adding persistent storage to it. That means you can go ahead and log in and do all that sort of stuff. It's more like a virtual board, like you know how you have boards for meetings. So it's more of a virtual board, but there's no way right now to have a persistent login. So if I open it now, my board is gone.
Persistent
So
storage, you mean?
sorry, yeah, exactly. So yep, so we are trying to recreate it. We are not essentially looking at their code, even though if it's open
Yeah.
source.
Mm-hmm.
Um, all of the work has which has been done till now has been all ours. Yeah, of course, you can go ahead and check the backend. We are working on the backend first. We
Yeah.
have a front end team as well of three other people who work with us
Mm-hmm.
on this project.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, it should be interesting. We are almost near the end of the backend, so this is an
Yeah,
interesting time to
which is
join.
pretty cool. Mm-hmm. And thanks again for joining, guys. I hope you
Mhm.
find it really useful, and hopefully we can learn something from you guys as well.
But we can keep streaming though for a bit more. I think there's a lot of people today.
Hundred
What do you
percent.
say?
Yeah, just
Okay, does.
keep on, man. Keep on. It's a public holiday tomorrow, so
Yes. To all the people
yeah,
living in Australia, they would know there's a public holiday tomorrow.
yeah.
This has been
Um,
done.
in Victoria.
Oh, yeah. Sorry, in
Yeah,
Victoria.
not in Australia. In Victoria
Okay,
specifically.
let's
Cool.
do valid.
Can you possibly zoom in? Cause
Yeah,
I'm
sorry.
having a bit of a hard time, and probably viewers would have to see it properly as well. Cool.
Yep.
Perfect. Thank you very
Um,
much.
yep. I'll
Um,
tell those people who are new here. We are using a Scrum slash Agile methodology. That's why we're using Jira for the project. I'm sure you know what
um,
Jira is. Yep.
can you possibly go in the validation of posting post post notes and just make sure everything is um updated as well?
Hmm. Yeah, that looks fine.
That's
I
fine,
don't know
right?
how. Can you add the done ones? Can you add one more? I don't know how to do it.
Uh-huh.
Um,
Yeah,
just
which
add
one?
that board not if board isn't found, it works. Like, yeah,
If
you know what I mean.
board
Um, do
found
you use a
in
cherry blue or red keyboard? Fortunately, I use a Mac, so I just use my Mac's keyboard. If a board is in front, it works. Yep. Yeah, you're right.
okay, cool, I've done that update.
Okay, let's go to validation of delete notes. It's in testing.
Cool.
Let's see what
Awesome.
happens. Delete a note.
So
Let's
we're
get all
in
the boards.
delete a note.
Mhm. There is a nice board, but let's see. Let's add some notes to it. Post a note. Yeah. Can you keep an eye on the comments?
Yes, I'm reading them. Aries is saying, I'm new to coding. Why would you say I should learn JavaScript?
Ooh, that's a good question.
Oh, that's a really great one.
I would
I
say
like.
not start with
Um,
JavaScript, but like
yeah,
I'm really happy that I started with Java because it's always good to start with the object oriented language. It really gives you a good understanding of how things work and how to make your mindset on how the code works. But that being said, JavaScript isn't the worst place to start. JavaScript is really good because you can do JS for backend and front end both.
I was gonna
Um,
say that as well. Mm-hmm.
but assembly, I mean, if you really want to start from scratch, sure, yeah, just go for assembly. Just go
Yeah,
hardcore.
yeah.
Either you're gonna create another OS or you're not. So, um,
True, true. Um, Chris Costas. So, what we're building today is part of, as in the backend of an existing project called called Scrambler, and we're just adding a persistence storage to that. And to be precise, or what we're building today is just validating, as in some backend methods that we need to in specific to the board and the notes. So
yep,
you might be asking, "W- what do I mean by board and notes?" So what this the overall concept is that the Scrambler, as in the existing project, is used as a, if I may say, Kanban board, is it?
yes, yeah, you can say
S-
that.
Yeah, so in that, what happens that you have one board and you have many nodes.
Mhm.
So the relationship is there, and what we're doing at the moment is basically making sure that all the validations in the nodes are good enough, so we can't add a node if it's empty. And yes, etc. etc. If
Hmm.
hope that's
Very nice.
helpful.
Yeah.
Right.
Script, it's JavaScript.
Yeah.
How about assembly? Well, we started to build an OS. That's pretty nice. Is JavaScript a good language for machine? Oh, this is a new view.
Wow.
I'm just
Interesting.
kidding. Get
I know.
them is
I know.
not for
I know. I know.
original. Um,
Yeah.
you know the answer, get them. You
You're
but
much more as in knowledgeable than us, Jack Dev.
mhm. Yes, it is in JavaScript, but that being said, it's not in pure JavaScript. If you're
Hmm.
familiar with Express, Express is a stack built on top of course, JS, but a lot of companies use Express, so it might be worth putting your time into. Actually, I'm curious how many companies actually use Express. I think 80, something along 80.
Oh, okay. It's that
Yeah.
popular.
Hmm.
Interesting.
Oh, wait.
Oh, nice.
How
Very helpful
many?
for manufacturing. Chris Costa one is saying, oh, nice is very
Okay.
helpful for manufacturing.
Okay, that's a lot more.
Yeah.
1684. That's a lot.
Mm, wow. Express.js is actually a lot more popular than I thought it was.
No, it's actually pretty popular. Yeah, yeah,
That's
yeah,
interesting.
yeah. It's been lose a lot, but
No problem at all, Arius. Good to have you again.
mhm. Yeah. Okay, let's get back to what we were
Yeah.
doing. Okay, cool. Router delete. Um, so what we need to check is that is ID alphanumeric. Is ID alphanumeric? That's probably all the checks we need. And no boards found. Okay, yeah. Let's try and check that. Delete a note. I'll not make it alphanumeric. I'll give it a dollar sign. That should not work. Yep, ID is invalid. I'll
Perfect.
give it a dollar sign to the board ID as well. ID is invalid. Okay, this and still ID is invalid. That's all good. Okay. I'll post a note again.
I reckon every time you see a particular scenario is working, just go back in the code and
Yep.
comment as in works or whatever. So we actually are keeping track of
Mhm.
everything as well
Yep. Can you
as we
update
go.
this in Jira as well?
Yes, yes, I will do.
Thank you.
So what was that?
Update
ID,
that. Yep.
um, so that was deleting of the notes, right?
Yes. Our IDE
Delete.
is VS Code. Probably you can see that. Um,
Tu- tu- tu-
also, I'm kind of
tu,
curious. Is there a dark mode for Postman?
and-
Can anyone
Ah, that,
go ahead and Google that for me? Anyone in the chat? Let me know if there's a dark mode in Postman. That'll be interesting to do. I don't like the.
so so can you just explain me what was the scenario again, the previous one, as in the
Sure.
board ID and the note ID has to be valid
Yeah, so if it's not alphanumeric, that means if there's a dollar sign or underscore, this shouldn't work. That's yeah, yeah.
in both.
You know what I mean?
Okay.
Yeah, in both of them. Oh,
So
really? Oh, Zevran says there definitely is. Actually, let's see.
okay. Board ID and note ID
Dark mode.
isn't
Oh, go away.
numeric,
Oh, yeah.
shouldn't.
Go to settings and theme. Let's see. Down. Team.
Okay,
Teams.
done.
There we go. Yay. Okay. That looks way better now.
Have you done yours?
Sorry, nah, I just made it dark more.
No. I meant as in, have you done the dark mode of yours?
Yeah,
Because I'm
yeah,
gonna do the same as well.
yeah. I'll let you know how to do it if you want me to.
Hey,
I am a nice note. Let's see. Okay. Get all boards. Yep, note has been added. I'll get the note ID. Let's see, delete. Okay. Right. We'll get the note board ID first. Paste it in the delete. Okay. And then I'll get the note ID as well. Wait, no, don't do that. And I'll go to delete and I'll paste it. So this is the ideal condition. Now we want to see if the board isn't actually present. So I'll just say, okay, internal server error. Let's come back to that.
So
And
what was the previous scenario that you just did?
right now I'm trying to do a scenario in which the board isn't present, which we actually didn't check. Yeah,
The
we
board
didn't.
isn't present.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, right.
Yes, Kegdev, you're right.
Hmm.
Yeah, I can say from personal experience, I have like on a -4 eyesight. So
Oh,
let's
okay.
see. Okay, this should give an error saying node not found. Okay, that works.
Which is if you give it a
Note,
wrong.
yeah, note which is not present in a database. If you try to delete that, it's
Uh-huh.
gonna say note not found.
Okay. Delete that.
I'll just say if it works.
Delete.
Does work. I just need to do one more thing, which is gonna be if we actually find the board or not.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, um, then are we
Mm-hmm.
actually finding the board? Oh, we are, yeah, we are.
Yes, we are.
So if we don't find a board, what is a query operation gonna return?
Empty object.
Right, sure.
Hang on. So you're saying if
Yeah,
we don't find that particular board in the database,
yeah.
then an empty object probably, or no, it can't really be undefined, can it?
No, I mean it's
It
not
should be.
undefined logically.
Yeah.
Oh,
The thing is, you probably have to
interesting.
up.
Hmm. Interesting. Let's see. Dynamo DB.
Query when table item found.
It's gonna be under 404. Ow. Okay. Check if a table item doesn't exist. Okay, yeah, this looks promising. We're not doing a get item, but that's fine.
We just have to check the error handling of it.
Hmm. I mean, I can just try that, right? Like, I don't have to put a lot of brain in it. I can just try this.
Try and catch it.
Yeah, real catcher. Yeah, that's fine. Not giving a function. Oh no, sorry. Error return. Yeah, to all those people who don't know what error return is, it's a function which we made. This is the status code. 44. This is the message, and yeah, also this is the
And there
result.
should be a response.
Yeah, and there's a response object. And there should be a return semicolon to terminate. Board not found. Okay, there's Sam Bill. Yep, and yeah, again to all those people who are new here, we are working on a serverless. What's the full form of Sam? Forgot.
A serverless application model.
Oh yeah, that's true. Yes, then it's probably right. Oh no, not that.
Not that one.
Yeah. Oh, not that one as
Just
well.
do AWS SAM.
Yes.
There
Serverless.
you go.
Yep, and it is. Ah, solutions architect the right way. I didn't.
I actually probably forgot a lot of it.
Me too.
So it's been a long time.
Mhm.
Need to refresh everything. Which is why this project.
Yeah, no, for sure. That helps a lot. Did you do Postman in dark mode?
Yeah, I've
Very
done that
nice.
and I have to say that it looks really nice.
Mm-hmm.
I think a lot easier on the eyes,
Yep.
like Active said.
Yeah. Yeah, no, for sure.
I just wish that the streaming software could be in dark mode. I'm gonna do a bit more research and see if it is.
You know, there's actually a way you can do it. Just do body and color. Um,
I
in
like
in
that.
and go and inspect element and just do body color. Hashtag 0000. That
Actually,
probably work. I'm not even kidding.
let's. I'm gonna give it a shot and see if it
Hmm.
works.
Yeah.
That'd be hilarious.
Okay, still there. Hmm. Very interesting.
What did it
Doesn't work.
say?
Internal server. Let's see what
Go back to
CloudWatch
the
has to
CloudWatch. Yeah.
unfold for us. Is this the one? Yeah, that probably is the one. Wow. That helps CloudWatch, a non-application error. That explains a lot.
Do you want to expand that?
I can't. Can I?
You can
No.
click on that. No, the top one, as in
All right.
second line. Yeah, expand that.
Oh,
Here we go.
board is not defined. Which line is it? 393. Okay, days.
Board is not defined. Oh, right, that board because it's in the try catch, so the scope is being limited to that. Yeah,
Hmm.
now it would work.
That should probably do it,
Hmm.
or probably not. Sorry about that. Just give me one sec. Okay, this that was my friend.
Mm-hmm.
We're gonna play table tennis.
Ho ho ho. Interesting.
Do you play
Fun.
table tennis, then?
I used to years
Mhm.
ago, but I
All right.
haven't played since. Yeah.
What was the last sport you played? Like when was the last time you went out? Not for running, just for like, oh yeah, there's a football. I'm gonna kick it.
Football that was back in the UK. That many years ago.
Wow. Okay.
There
Oh
we
no,
go.
that's not
No
right.
balls found in database.
That is not right.
That shouldn't be it. Oh, that's a note.
Let me just do it again. I want to give it a wrong board name. Come on, boy. You got this. Okay, I'm gonna do F1 instead of F2.
Yeah, that
Wow.
works.
No, it doesn't. There are boards. Why is it
Oh,
going like
okay. Right.
that? Is weird. Wait, is empty. Wait, it says, "Are you empty?" And it returns, "No, I'm not empty." That literally doesn't make sense.
If it's
And
empty, then I think these arrows should be in the false one, not in the true one. No,
no,
no, no, no, no.
that's fine.
Ignore me. It's
I'm just
it's in.
curious, why is it not throwing an error? The error is just wrong. The query is correctly searching by a single ID. Yep. Um. Yeah.
Oh, can you move that cursor away? And you probably have to insert a parameter in the catch expression, which is
Yeah, I can do that.
open brackets
I
ERR.
don't think so. That's is that necessary? Let's see.
To be honest, now that you have asked the question, I'm not even sure if it is.
You know what? We're gonna use our free.
As Saffron is saying that the error message is just wrong, the query is correctly searching by a single ID.
Hmm. Right. Yeah. Okay, I'll just give it a go. Maybe you're right then. You probably are right here. Um, by default, yes, that happened. I'm just gonna give it a go. Let's see what happens. Actually, one sec. Mm, yeah, I'm just gonna add the board as well. Let's see what happens. I'm just gonna be a bit spicy here. And okay, Zeren. So what do you do though? Where do you where do you put up? How many boats? Hey,
Continue.
Charney, a boat. Is that your real name? How many boats? Okay. Four boats. I don't know why I said
I would say
four.
five. I would say
Okay,
five
then.
because BOATS is five. Five letters
Zero.
before you land.
Also, Australia isn't real, so you can't
Hmm.
come here. This is actually like an alien um, base.
I have a Chauvas. What's that?
Hmm.
Right. We probably have to do that.
You probably didn't get it, but that is not a nice thing to say.
Right. Yeah, I didn't get it.
I'll let you know after
Let's.
stream.
All right.
Hmm. That's all good anyway. The point is, why is it not working? What? Uh, so, okay. I think one of the things which I'm just gonna do an error return just for the sake of it at this point. Um, I want to see what's inside the board, even though if it's not found. And I'm just gonna return semicolon sam build sam deploy minus g. That means guided AP southeast. Yep. Um, what did you have it for dinner, Sam? I forgot.
I haven't decided yet.
Mm-hmm. Very interesting. Okay, Diz.
How about you?
I'm
Have
gonna
you
have
had it?
chicken. Nah, chicken.
Oh, is it chicken biryani?
Nah.
Ah,
Um,
nice.
not today.
Cool.
Okay. Okay. I think I can do one thing. We
Mm-hmm.
can do one thing. But wait. Um. Oh, okay. I think I. So we do a query operation here. Um. So what this basically is doing is that it's going inside our table, and it's why is it
Mm-hmm.
returning more than one boards? It's returning a whole. I'll show you what's happening. If I give it an actual good um thing, it should return the board here. Let's see what happens. So it returns the whole board, but the board is inside items, if you know what I mean. So the query, are you following me?
Yes. Mm-hmm.
So the query operation is working in such a way that if you give it a faulty board, it's just going to return empty, but it's still going to return a whole um object of like items in it.
Ah, right, right, right,
Hmm.
right. I see. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we probably have to change.
No, so I think that's actually kind of good, and I'll tell you why. Because we already have a place which checks um for this, so
Mm-hmm.
that's a win for us actually. I'm just gonna change the message and say board not present in the database.
So we don't really have to throw, as in worry about that particular scenario anymore.
Yeah, because it's
Yeah.
already pre it's pre-satisfied.
Yeah. Cool.
Also this is kind of irrelevant. Go away. Any good VS Code extension you guys know in the chat? Please drop some.
Yeah, that'd be really helpful though.
Hmm. So I need a haircut so bad. When are the hairdressers gonna open? Don't say never.
I was gonna say if it was up to me, I would tell them in the next 10 seconds, open up, come on,
Hmm.
all-nighters, do all-nighters,
Yeah.
become a millionaire probably overnight.
Hmm. Like at this point, I don't even know if I should tell my partner to cut my hair once again. The first time we did it was
True,
such a mess.
true, true. Saffron 9005 is saying we could install a pre extension or something
Mhm.
to get some GG code or formatting.
Let's see. Code Beautify.
Pretty extension, do prettier probably.
Is it called Prettier?
Yeah, prettier.
I
I
don't
think so,
think so.
as far as I can remember. There you go,
Oh,
the first.
oh, interesting. But less rating.
Yeah, thanks, mate.
Hmm.
Saffron, all right.
Just gonna install it and see what happens. I have a M4 name on it. How about you'll just go play some Daisy? I don't know what that is. Sorry about
Um,
that.
all right, let's just focus on doing
Mhm.
this. I'm gonna.
Okay, that should work. Okay. Okay, days. Yeah, that works. I don't know if I showed it. Yeah. And if I give it the right one, it should execute. Yep, status 200. That means okay. That worked. Is there any other scenario? I'll just say it works. Or not. Oh, sorry, not this one. That's funny. Yep. I think yeah, you can. Oh yeah, note not found. Let me just do one more scenario. If I do instead of B, I do C. It should say note not found, which it is. So that's all good. Yep. Then you can go back to Jira and say that delete board, delete note works. Uh,
So which scenario was this?
all of them. So I'll tell you which ones do we have. If you
Okay,
go to Jira, I'll go to Jira as well.
on there now.
Oh, you are okay.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yes. So board ID and note ID validation works.
So when you say board ID and note ID validation, what exactly are we checking for?
There's only one thing
As in,
which we can check, right? Like if they're alphanumeric or not. Is there any other thing you can check?
yes, that was no. I was just after some precision.
All right, yeah, yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I
So,
don't think there's any other thing which we can check it for.
hmm
Just trying to
so
think.
I've got two scenarios until now, which is more when board ID and no ID isn't alphanumeric, then it shouldn't work.
Yep. Can you do
And
board not found as well? That works.
when board isn't present in the DB, then don't work.
Yep. And when board, there's no boards in the database. That also works.
Um, and when boards are not in the database, don't. That's done as well.
And note not found is done as well. So
Um, when note is not. Okay, yeah, that's it.
yep. Okay,
Cool.
there's that should be fine.
That's brilliant. So validation of the deleting of the notes are done pretty much.
Yep. Also, can you ban this person?
I was checking how to do that.
I'll do it.
I'm gonna. Oh, you know how to do that?
Yeah, just give me one sec.
Ah, perfect.
Uh, oh, fun. One second.
If you can do
Yep,
it as
done.
soon as possible,
Yep,
that's
done.
okay. Cool. Perfect.
There we go. That has been done. Okay, days. Yeah, I think it's better to call it a night. But yeah, that was a good session, guys. Thank you all for joining. I guess
Yeah, it
I must.
was really productive.
I'll just do a git
And
push.
yeah, do that and make. Okay, cool. I- Is that the stable backend? Perfect.
Yeah. Adding. Oh no, wait. Completed validation for post note and delete note
Perfect.
and git push. Yep. Of course, it wants my password. It's always hungry for it.
There
Okay,
you
yes.
go. All
Cool. Thank
done.
you, everyone, for joining today. I think today was a really fun session as well because we got a lot more new people.
Mhm.
And then again, to all those new people, you're welcome tomorrow to join us at 9:30 p.m. Melbourne time,
Australia.
AST. Yes, Melbourne, Australia time,
Yep.
North Florida.
Yeah, no, Florida. And
Yes.
yeah, it was actually great to have as in new people, and that actually motivated us to extend the
Mhm.
time a bit as well, which
For
was
sure.
fun.
Yeah.
Mm.
Yes, and I'll encourage everyone to join us tomorrow. But yes, thanks
Yes.
everyone who all joined today.
And I do apologize for this guy who was, or I don't know for the person who was Chani underscore Abu.
Mhm.
He will not be able to come back because he wasn't being appropriate. So don't worry about him anymore or
Mhm.
her.
Yeah,
I don't know. Right,
them.
guys? Them. Yeah. Right, guys. Thanks
Thank you.
log in, and we'll see you guys back here, same place, same
And
time, and
a different task.
fun times. All right,
Alrighty. Good
guys.
night,
Have a
everyone.
good night.
Cheers.
Cheers.